Not yet visible, not yet. Yes, by the time you are sharing, yes, Bhargavi, you answer in the chat. Yeah, in chat you are asked two questions. So just give your response there. Yes, Bhavyang, still not visible. Yeah.
Now, sir.
Yes, now it is visible.
Okay, can I start, sir?
Yes, start your presentation.
Uh, okay, I am Asari Bhagang, and today I am going to present about dramatic scene in the rape of the lock. Um, Alexander Pope. He was born at 21st March 1688 and died at 30 March 1744. He was born in London, England. He is poet and satirist of the English Augustan period. He is best known for his poem and essay on criticism. He is one of the most epigrammic of all English authors. And The Rape of the Lock, an essay on criticism, and for his translation of humor. And reason of writing The Rape of the Lock. Pope wrote The Rape of the Lock in response to request made by his friend John Charlie, a prominent Roman Catholic of the time. Charlie to explain that his friend Lord Peter had cut off a lock of Arabella of Fairmont hair. In order to make light of situation, Pope wrote the rape of the lock. The talent of Miss Bell Freedom Hair was taken too seriously and cause of estrangement between the two families through they have lived so long in great friendship before. The Rape of the Lock. The Rape of the Lock is satirized poem by Alexander Pope about a wealthy girl uh, who uh, who lost a lock of hair. Belinda has a dream warning her to beware of a man and vanity. She forget this advice. At Hampton Court, one of Belinda's shooter, the Baron declares that he want a lock of her hair during a card game. He cut off a lock of her hair without her consent. Belinda tries to get the lock back. Later, the Baron sneezes after having too much snuff, and the lies off into the sky. Drama is a literary germs that present realistic character who deals with realistic conflict or a struggle. They are serious stories with a setting or a situation that portray ordinary character in a conflict with themselves, the society or focus of a nature. Now we will see dramatic scene in the rape of the lock. Alexander Pope has used many dramatical elements in his work, as we can see in The Rape of the Lock, that how he has praised Belinda's beauty. She has a guardian spirit or who aware her about her dream that something wrong is going to happen. Um, in the real life, we can see that we can never know that what will be our future, but here Alexander Pope is have already mentioned that mentioned to Belinda that something wrong is going to happen. So I find that it is a dramatical scene. Poet has compared Belinda's eyes with a shining sun. In the real life also we can not see that anybody's eyes is like a shining sun, and also mentioned that her two lock was attractive, that Baron has decided to cut his one lock. Um, as in Hampton Court, if we can see that Baron has decided to cut Belinda's one lock of hair, then he might cut that lock of hair at that time only, na. As we know that Ariel has given a task to supernatural spirit to protect Belinda, earring, watch, and his dog, etc. Then Zafreta, Brillanti, Mamentella, Crispisa, where protecting Belinda. Spirit is used as an imagination. Yeah, here Alexander Pope has used this supernatural element who is protecting Belinda and his thing. In the real life, we cannot see that there is any supernatural element who is protecting us. So I find that this supernatural element he has used as a drama. Ombre game is a center of the poem, and Belinda defeat Baron. The poet has included this incident because this incident will be the reason of cutting down Belinda's lock. If he has not included this dramatical incident of defeating him in the game, then there would be no reason of cutting her. As we have seen in Hampton Court that Baron has decided to cut Belinda's one lock of hair. But Alexander Pope has created one situation where they are where Baron and Belinda is playing ombre game, and where Belinda is defeating Baron. That's why Baron got one reason to cut Belinda's lock of hair. When Belinda realized that his lock has been cut, and then he started crying for his lock. As we all know that once a lock is cut, then she cannot join her lock again. But the poet want to show some dramatical scene. So Thelsia and Sir Plum went to convince the Baron. They already know that Baron is not going to give uh, Belinda's lock of hair. Then also, these both are going to convince Baron. There is an imaginative idea that the lock has gone to the sky, and now it will become a heaven. What want to end with a happy ending? So he made this dramatical idea. At the end, many critics says um, that this idea was taken from Berenshia's lock, which has become a star. It is also said that London astronaut people are going to see his lock in sky. Here we can see Alexander Pope uh, is at the end. He is trying to say that Belinda's lock of hair is gone to went to star, and now in the London astronaut will see his lock of hair. And many critics is also says that this idea Alexander Pope has taken from Berenshia's lock. In Berenshia's lock, he has also his hair was also cut. No, his lock was also cut, and it was gone to the sky. If Clarissa has not given a scissor to Baron, then how he would cut her lock? As we know, that Clarissa's speech was later on added in the poem The Rape of Locke. So we can say that Alexander Pope poem The Rape of Locke is dramatic. And from this study material, I have taken a reference to make a presentation. Okay, thank you, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yeah. Keep your slides on. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now see, there are lots of spelling error that you need to check. Like Belinda.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, I have searched in Google that a rape of a lock dramatical scene, but I did not find. So I have I have write this with my own understanding.
Yeah, that is very good. That is very good. So when you make simple errors, it also is a sign that you have written it on your own, and that is very good. So when there are no errors, it means it is copy pasted. When we see in the slides that there are no errors, no mistakes, and a high kind of language, it means that that work is copy pasted from another sources. And it is better to have a slight error or slight error of margin or mistake that proves that you have tried to write it. But if you know that these are the errors, then before you upload your PPT, you can rectify it. But if you don't know that these are the mistakes, then you will not be able to rectify. You will upload this very PPT on your SlideShare account, and then you will put it. So that's why you have to go through like Belinda capitalization. You have to take care of. Yeah, then previous slide. Okay, previous.
Capital.
Yes, yes. Okay, then there are a couple of grammatical errors also. Next slide. Next. Next, not previous, next slide. Okay.
From here, I have wrote all this from my understanding.
Okay. Okay, go through it. Capitalization, you check it out. Punctuation marks also you check. Punctuation mark, full stop, comma, space. After full stop, there is a space, and then the new line begins. So that all also you check it out, and this is for everybody, all the students. It is not only for Bhavyang, but everybody. Just check your slide so it can be correct in terms of punctuation marks also. Okay, you can stop sharing now. Yeah, questions?
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Bhumika, you are audible.
What does Pop wants to represent by the text?
By the
Are you
rape of
getting
the
my
law.
voice?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
No, means he is trying to by the rape of the law. He is trying to say incident which take a place which with his friend, that his friend Lord Peters had cut off a lock of Arabella Fairmont's hair, and so he has by that incident he got an inspiration to write this poem, the tale of Tub. I say the lock.
Why Alexander